5 vitamins to stop proteinuria and repair the kidneys fast. Hello there, kidney warriors! Would you like to take a stand against proteinuria in the right way? Proteinuria denotes the presence of too much protein in the urine, which can indicate kidney damage or malfunction, so early attention is vital. One powerful way to aid and recover kidney health and resist proteinuria is by taking essential vitamins into your daily routine. These vitamins will help repair kidney damage, reduce inflammation, and fend off oxidative stresses. Today we will start by looking at the top 5 vitamins that can help heal and revive your kidneys by putting proteinuria behind you. Number 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is an essential nutrient that helps balance the body's overall health, including bones, immunity, and the part of the metabolism involved with calcium. It is essential to have enough vitamin D levels for proper kidney function. Kidneys are responsible for turning vitamin D into its active form, which the human body needs to maintain and regulate calcium and phosphorus levels. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to bad health of your kidneys. You must ensure sufficient levels of this nutrient in your diet to preserve kidney function and adequately regulate it. Additionally, vitamin D possesses immunomodulatory effects and is vital for proper immune system function. Those with kidney conditions such as proteinuria may also have weakened immune systems. Adequate vitamin D levels will help support immunity and overall fitness in persons with kidney diseases. Proteinuria is a common disease of chronic kidney insufficiency, characterized by inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Vitamin D has anti-inflammatory properties and can therefore help suppress the inflammation. By modulating both immune response and inflammation, vitamin D may play a role in helping to maintain healthy kidneys and potentially manage proteinuria. Vitamin D is also crucial for maintaining calcium balance within the body. Calcium abnormalities can affect kidney function and bring on complaints such as proteinuria. Adequate levels of vitamin D help guarantee correct calcium intake and use, which is essential for good overall kidney health. Fortunately, there are many ways of increasing dietary intake for vitamin D. For instance, you can find this essential nutrient in fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products. With sunlight exposure, you can also stimulate the skin to make vitamin D. In some cases, more than enough sun and dietary vitamin D is required. When this occurs, vitamin D supplements can be an essential means to help support beneficial kidney function. You must consult a healthcare provider before beginning any supplementation to receive an appropriate dosage for your requirements. Number 2. Vitamin B complex. Scientific evidence suggests that certain forms of the B vitamin, especially B6 and B12, may help to lower proteinuria levels. Vitamin B can regulate kidney function and reduce the elimination of proteins through urine leakage. This might be linked to the role of vitamin B in maintaining general kidney health and function. Research has shown that thiamine deficiency can lead to damage in the kidneys and proteinuria with certain diseases like diabetes. Some experimental treatments with thiamine as a protective measure from chronic kidney failure have been conducted. Some research also found that vitamin B6 may reduce the amount of protein excreted in kidney disease patients. B6 plays a role in various metabolic processes that benefit kidney function. Vitamin B12 deficiency has also been linked to kidney dysfunction. Eating foods with vitamin B is essential to our health and well-being. We find vitamin B1 or thiamine in whole grains, meats, nuts, and legumes. The other name of vitamin B2 is riboflavin. It is found in dairy products such as milk, cheese, lean meats, and dark green leafy vegetables. While animal meat, also known as niacin, is the highest source of vitamin B3, vegetarian sources can include mushrooms, nuts, and whole grains. Other foods with this nutrient include meat, whole grain bread products, or rice. Egg yolks, nuts, seeds, and whole grain cereal contain biotin and vitamin B7. Vegetables like spinach, broccoli, beans, and citrus fruits are a good source of folate or vitamin B9. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, can be found in many types of meat. Fish can also be a great source, as eggs, milk, and fortified cereal as sources of this nutrient. A variety of foods rich in B vitamins eaten regularly ensures adequate intake of these essential nutrients. Whole foods processed as little as possible are usually a better source of B vitamins than highly processed products. If you have a specific diet or health condition that makes it challenging to get enough B vitamins solely from eating food, discuss with your healthcare provider or registered dietitian the possibility of B6 supplementation or alternate eating plans to suit your specific needs. Number 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an excellent way to restore the energy level in the body and improve immunity from disease. A few studies from past decades have suggested that vitamin C might benefit kidney health and the treatment of proteinuria. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C can help reduce oxidant injury and inflammation in your kidneys, both of which can create kidney damage and proteinuria. In addition, vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagens, which are critical in maintaining kidney structure and function. Some collagen abnormalities have been linked to developing diseases that can lead to proteinuria. Vitamin C has been discovered to impact lowering blood pressure, which is very important for conditions like hypertension, which can cause kidney dysfunction in any way, and proteinuria. Vitamin C boosts the immune system, which is essential for overall health as it might help indirectly with kidney function and proteinuria management. Including vitamin C in your diet is essential for overall health and well-being. Begin your day with citrus by squeezing some fresh lemon juice into a glass of water or adding a slice of lime to your tea. Or ensure you start each breakfast with an orange juice drink. Add berries like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries to cereal, yogurt, and hot oatmeal. Many fruits, such as oranges, kiwis, and grapefruit, are rich in vitamin C. Keep these around for snacks and quick meals. When you eat, keep adding bell peppers to your dishes. You might throw some sliced bell pepper into a salad, a stir fry, or an omelet, or stuff a sandwich with them. They give a crunchy effect and are full of vitamin C. Grill and roast vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and red bell pepper to get maximum benefits and add flavor. Finally, you can make a spicy dip by combining diced tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, and lime juice. Otherwise, fresh greens and strawberries seem refreshing for a salad when served with juicy dressing. Number 4. Vitamin E. It is well known that vitamin E has antioxidant properties. As such, some studies suggest it may offer preventative benefits to kidney health and support the control of proteinuria. Although the direct connection between proteinuria and vitamin E has not been fully understood, some of these results may be taken as evidence that vitamin E can aid proper functions in the kidney and thereby help relieve proteinuria. Vitamin E helps the body fight off oxidative stress from the environment, including the kidneys. This stress often leads to kidney damage and proteinuria. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin E might prevent kidney cells from becoming damaged or aggravated by inflammation. Vitamin E also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, another potential cause of kidney diseases expressed as proteinuria. Some research shows that people who supplement with vitamin E can decrease their blood pressure, an essential measure in treating such conditions as high blood pressure, which can give rise to proteinuria. Moreover, vitamin E improves endothelial functioning, an essential factor in maintaining healthy blood vessels and kidneys. Treating endothelial disorders will ultimately reduce urine protein loss. While vitamin E helps maintain kidney health and assists in reducing proteinuria, it's worth mentioning that individual reactions to supplementation can vary. Large doses may sometimes have adverse effects or interact with medication. Vitamin E-rich foods are easily incorporated into the daily diet. For example, nuts and seeds, vegetable oils, leafy green vegetables, avocado slices, fortified cereals with added vitamin E, tropical fruits like mangoes and papayas, and spices such as basil or oregano are excellent choices. A diet rich in vitamin E balances overall health and well-being, and nutrient-dense foods are necessary for maintaining good health. Number 5. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential to maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. There is no direct relationship between levels of vitamin A and proteinuria. However, here are some things you might want to consider about vitamin A and its effect on the kidneys. For one thing, kidney diseases are often accompanied by vitamin A deficiency, which could lead to insufficient organ function, early aging, and trouble walking. Ensuring that you take sufficient vitamin A through food is vital for supporting your kidneys in good health. In addition, vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, has antioxidant properties that help counteract oxidative stress in your body. Kidney damage and dysfunction are directly related to oxidative stress. This can lead to a problem called proteinuria. Vitamin A could indirectly support kidney health and prevent proteinuria by alleviating oxidative stress. Vitamin A is also a vital component in maintaining immunity. The ability to withstand illness is a sum of your resilience and your body's natural immunological defense mechanisms. Kidney diseases may weaken this system, which allows an individual to resist infection. Maintaining suitable levels of vitamin A may help give extra protection and health to people whose kidneys have developed some disease. While vitamin A is essential for overall health, including kidney function, it is crucial to consume it appropriately. Overdoing vitamin A through supplementation or in high-dose forms may be toxic and damage the kidneys. It is generally advisable to obtain vitamin A from dietary sources such as fruits and vegetables, especially orange and dark green leafy vegetables, dairy products, and liver as part of a balanced diet. A well-balanced diet that includes all these essential nutrients, minerals, and vitamins is vital to kidney health and wellness. If you have any concerns about your vitamin A intake and its impact on kidney health or problems with proteinuria, ask healthcare professionals for an opinion before anything goes wrong. Ensure you got plenty of orange and yellow fruits and vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, mangoes, papayas, and apricots. Dark green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are good food sources. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt contain retinol. Eggs are a good source of vitamin A as well. Foods fortified with vitamin A can help meet your daily needs. You can add these 5 necessary vitamins to your diet and supplement routinely to take action against proteinuria and heal the kidneys. Consult a healthcare provider before significantly changing your diet or supplement regimen. Give your kidneys the nutrients it needs to thrive so that excellent kidney health becomes your priority. Here's to your kidney health as well as your general well-being.